Bed. A piece of furniture used for sleeping or resting. Example: I sleep in a comfortable bed.
I sleep in a comfortable bed.
The bed is too soft.
The bed is too soft.
The cat is sleeping on the bed.
The cat is sleeping on the bed.
I made my bed this morning.
I made my bed this morning.
He jumped off the bed quickly.
He jumped off the bed quickly.
The bed is big and spacious.
The bed is big and spacious.
The bed frame is made of wood.
The bed frame is made of wood.
The bed is warm and cozy.
The bed is warm and cozy.
I like to read in bed.
I like to read in bed.
The bed has fluffy pillows.
The bed has fluffy pillows.
Pillow. A soft cushion used to support the head while sleeping. Example: I rest my head on the pillow.
I rest my head on the pillow.
The pillow is soft and fluffy.
The pillow is soft and fluffy.
She hugged her favorite pillow tightly.
She hugged her favorite pillow tightly.
He tossed the pillow in frustration.
He tossed the pillow in frustration.
She fluffed the pillow before sleeping.
She fluffed the pillow before sleeping.
The pillow is filled with feathers.
The pillow is filled with feathers.
I like to punch my pillow.
I like to punch my pillow.
The pillow smells fresh and clean.
The pillow smells fresh and clean.
He uses 2 pillows for extra comfort.
He uses 2 pillows for extra comfort.
The pillow is a little lumpy.
The pillow is a little lumpy.
Pajamas. Loose-fitting clothes worn for sleeping or lounging at home. Example: I wear comfortable pajamas to bed.
I wear comfortable pajamas to bed.
Her pajamas are pink and cozy.
Her pajamas are pink and cozy.
He changed into his pajamas quickly.
He changed into his pajamas quickly.
My pajamas have cute patterns on them.
My pajamas have cute patterns on them.
She bought new silk pajamas.
She bought new silk pajamas.
I like to lounge around in my pajamas.
I like to lounge around in my pajamas.
His pajamas have a cartoon print.
His pajamas have a cartoon print.
She forgot to pack her pajamas.
She forgot to pack her pajamas.
I love the soft fabric of my pajamas.
I love the soft fabric of my pajamas.
My pajamas keep me warm at night.
My pajamas keep me warm at night.
Alarm clock. A device that makes a loud sound to wake someone up. Example: The alarm clock woke me up.
The alarm clock woke me up.
The alarm clock rang loudly.
The alarm clock rang loudly.
I need a new alarm clock.
I need a new alarm clock.
He relies on his alarm clock to wake up.
He relies on his alarm clock to wake up.
The alarm clock has a bright display.
The alarm clock has a bright display.
She forgot to set her alarm clock.
She forgot to set her alarm clock.
The alarm clock's sound is annoying.
The alarm clock's sound is annoying.
His alarm clock plays a soothing melody.
His alarm clock plays a soothing melody.
The alarm clock has a built-in radio.
The alarm clock has a built-in radio.
The alarm clock has a digital display.
The alarm clock has a digital display.
Bedside lamp. A small lamp placed on a bedside table for reading or providing light in a bedroom. Example: I turn on the bedside lamp before sleeping.
I turn on the bedside lamp before sleeping.
The bedside lamp provides gentle illumination.
The bedside lamp provides gentle illumination.
She reads books with her bedside lamp.
She reads books with her bedside lamp.
The bedside lamp has a dimmer switch.
The bedside lamp has a dimmer switch.
I knocked over the bedside lamp accidentally.
I knocked over the bedside lamp accidentally.
The bedside lamp casts a warm glow.
The bedside lamp casts a warm glow.
She turned off the bedside lamp and went to sleep.
She turned off the bedside lamp and went to sleep.
The bedside lamp has a modern design.
The bedside lamp has a modern design.
I use the bedside lamp for late-night studying.
I use the bedside lamp for late-night studying.
The bedside lamp has a touch-sensitive base.
The bedside lamp has a touch-sensitive base.
Dressing table. A table with a mirror, used for grooming or applying makeup. Example. She sits at the dressing table to do her makeup.
She sits at the dressing table to do her makeup.
The dressing table has a large mirror.
The dressing table has a large mirror.
I keep my jewelry on the dressing table.
I keep my jewelry on the dressing table.
He bought a new dressing table for his bedroom.
He bought a new dressing table for his bedroom.
I have a small mirror on my dressing table.
I have a small mirror on my dressing table.
The dressing table is made of elegant wood.
The dressing table is made of elegant wood.
He bought a matching stool for the dressing table.
He bought a matching stool for the dressing table.
I keep my skincare products on the dressing table.
I keep my skincare products on the dressing table.
The dressing table has a vintage charm.
The dressing table has a vintage charm.
I need to clean the dust off my dressing table.
I need to clean the dust off my dressing table.
Wardrobe. A piece of furniture used for storing clothes and accessories. Example. My wardrobe is filled with clothes.
My wardrobe is filled with clothes.
She organized her wardrobe by color.
She organized her wardrobe by color.
The wardrobe has sliding doors.
The wardrobe has sliding doors.
I need to buy a new wardrobe.
I need to buy a new wardrobe.
He has a walk-in wardrobe.
He has a walk-in wardrobe.
She keeps her shoes in the wardrobe.
She keeps her shoes in the wardrobe.
I hang my coats in the wardrobe.
I hang my coats in the wardrobe.
He has a wardrobe full of suits.
He has a wardrobe full of suits.
I keep my sweaters in the wardrobe.
I keep my sweaters in the wardrobe.
The wardrobe is made of solid wood.
The wardrobe is made of solid wood.